Hello guys, and welcome back to another vlogmas. Today I came to the mall. I know I'm a little crazy for coming to the mall today because it is Sunday and Sundays are hectic AF. But anyways, someone told me that today is the last day that Bath & Body Works is having a sale for the $4.95 all body care, so I was like, I need to go. But this mall, the great thing about this mall is that it has all the cool stores. It has Marshall's, Burlington, it has H&M, which I want to check out, and it has the Bath & Body Works, of course. All right guys, so we made it to Marshall's and it is packed, girl. It is packed. But look how cute these little things are. I found them. They're like cocoa making, like to make hot chocolate, but aren't they so cute? They're like in a little milk jug. And they're glass too, so you can like reuse them. That's the thing I don't like anywhere. I'm like, I can glass, I can reuse it. I can use it for something. This is so cute. Right now I'm looking at like all the teas. That's where I found the hot chocolate thing. But I love teas, especially in the cold. Like, teas are my favorite. Mira, un slim tea, so we can be skinny queens in the summer. Okay, so I hope you guys can hear me with all the commotion, but I have three things that have caught my attention so far. One is this greens little powder sticks, and they're only $7.99, and also there's elderberries and rosehip tea. This one seems very interesting to me. I kind of want to take this one. And also this little box has like an assortment, and it has strawberry tea, lemon tea, pineapple tea, and blueberry tea. How cool. And it's only $12.99. I'm also debating if I want this. It's $7.99 and it's like so cute. It has like the chopsticks, a spoon. Oh, look at the Winnie the Pooh one back there. So I think this one's super cute, but it's chipped. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like so broken, which sucks because that one's so cute. I love everything Disney, but I think I might get this one because it has everything and it's only $7.99. That is a steal. Oh my gosh, I think this is so cute. It's like a little disposable camera and the gift set. $16.99, and they have two of them. This one and that one. Hey, you like Doritos? You want one of those? Like, these pages are so cute. Those are the little golden retrievers. They're only $9. They're so cute, but they only have like big sizes. And I'm so sad because this is so pretty. Look at them. I got the little Grinch cookie, and then dude, this blanket is so pretty and it's so plush. The little doggy one. I'm so sad about those PJs, man. I never really pay attention to the glassware, but this is so cute. And look at this red one. It looks like a ruby. How pretty. I know these little dot things are going viral on TikTok. I don't really like them, but if you like them, they're here. Cute little doggy, and he has little tiny slippers. How cute. Also, look at this cool advent calendar I found. It's by Ellen Tracy. Isn't it so cute? I don't need it, but if you want it, if you want me to spoil what it has all of this stuff. It has like a sleeping mask, a scrunchie, the little hair clips, like a bunch of like cool little pampering stuff. If you want to gift this, I think it'd be really, really nice. I don't want it because I don't need any of this, but I think it's so cute, especially the packaging. Like, look at this. So glitter and all the vibes, and also pretty. I am gonna go put that away where it came from. By the way, I was just right over here to show you guys because it is so packed, so I'm like hiding in the most randomest aisles so I can talk to you guys. But after this, I'm gonna go to Bath & Body Works and we're gonna see what we find. I don't want to go too crazy. I literally just want to go for the champagne toast body mist because that is my favorite one. And the last two that I had, I gifted them away. But okay, let me go put this thing away. And I wanted to go look at the purses, but alguien de aquí told me that they're giving me a purse for Christmas. Look at all their cool gift sets. Like, they have so much cool stuff. They have like a makeup one. They have this little lip balm one, which is also really nice. The lotion one, especially for the dry, crusty hands. Like in the winter, it just gets worse. More lip balm sets. These are awesome. They have like the bath bombs, some socks. So cute. 2 pairs of socks. Look, another advent calendar. I did put the other one back. It's over there, the one that I left. But it's so cute. They have so much stuff. I just love the holidays, you guys. They have so much cute stuff. This green Kate Spade bag, isn't it so adorable? Super cute. I really want a Coach one, like so bad, but that's eventually in the future. Look at this pink Steve Madden. Although I love pink and I love Steve Madden, I don't think I could wear that though. It's so cute. Look at this. Look at this. Isn't it so pretty and aesthetic? How cute. And it has a little wallet. I would be the one talking about deodorant, but look how cute these are. They're like so tiny, and they have, according to the box, it says it's a $42 value and it's only $14.99. Do I need it? No, absolutely not. But the fact that it's like expensive, I'm like, do I want it? No, I don't. But this is so cool and aesthetic. Si alguien me lo quiere regalar para Navidad. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna put it back. I also saw a bunch of like Belief stuff. I only got a sample of it like way back when at Sephora, and it was really good and really moisturizing. And they have these here, and these are only like $20, and they have like the full size one. I'm very tempted to get one of these, like very tempted. I think I am, because this is like such a good deal. I swear their gift sets here at Marshall's are like unmatched. They're amazing. Speaking of all the cool gift sets, this sugar bear one is amazing. You get 2 of these and I guess like a little bolsita. It's an $80 value. Yes, I believe it. These things are hella expensive, and $34. How cute. And they have so many of them. Wows. What's this? GNC weight supplement. No thank you. But that is cool. I want that. I already have some, so I'm not gonna get it, but I think this is such a good gift. And these hair vitamins are, 1, delicious, and 2, they work. Travel bags always catch my attention. Look at the little kitty, because you could put your like hair tools in here and everything fits, and your hairbrush. There's nothing more than I hate that when I'm traveling and my hairbrush gets smushed. Ooh, that cosa, I don't like it. Look, this one's so pretty, and it's on sale for $12. But the tag is backwards. Not that I care, but that's so cute. Oh my god, how cute. Look at the little Mickey for like the kids. These are so adorable. Look at all these cute beauty blenders, and they're like nude colors. How cute. I was about to leave, but look how cute this is. And you can just use that as like a little stand. That is so adorable. And this like hand cream collection, girl, that is hella bougie and cute. I think this one is like the star of the show. Like, are you joking? How cute. 36 sets of beauty blenders. That is so adorable. Makeup remover towels. What is this, like lashes? Stop it. Wows. This is pretty cool. How much is this? $16. That is so cool. Wow. Okay, everybody come to Marshall's for your gift sets, because they are amazing. Everybody will love you. Okay, I'm gonna leave. I am done with Marshall's because there's so many people. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna go pay, and then I'll give you guys like a little haul when I get home. Next up is I'm gonna go to Burlington, and then Bath and Body Works, and then I don't know where else. We'll see how much I have in me for, because it's already kind of late. It's already almost 5 p.m. No wonder it's hella packed. Oh my god, how cute. It's always the checkout lines where you find like the cutest things. Look at this like belt bag. How pretty. I wish it was black though. Black or white. That's so cute. Oh my god.
Cashier number 4, please.
Okay, I'm gonna go pay. Why didn't anyone tell me that Bath and Body Works had dry shampoo? I didn't know that, and I love champagne toast. I'm gonna get this one, and I'm also gonna get a mist, because this is my favorite year-round scent. I also didn't know that they had shampoo and conditioner. Girl, look at the cute little Mrs. Santa. These are so adorable. I just want them all. And the mailbox. I got the goods. I only got 2 things. I was so tempted to buy the shampoo and conditioner, because one, I didn't even know they had those. Imagine how delicious. And it was only $5, but I don't need it. Like, I have so many shampoos and conditioners that are brand new and I haven't even opened, so I was like, no, I do not need it. But the next time they have a sale, and if I don't have shampoo and conditioner, I'm gonna buy it, because that is so cool. Imagine how yummy and delicious like your hair's gonna smell. Alright guys, so we have made it to Burlington. Let's see what they have here. I really want to find more of those little stretchy gym tops that I had bought, that I showed you guys, the ones that I got from Shein. I ended up returning the super sheer ones, because I was like, 1, apparently I did pay for 2 orders, and 2, they're like so sheer that even if I wear undershirt, like you can tell. And I was like, nope, you're going back. It's giving Burlington activity. This is kind of cute though, despite the cochinero. How much is this? $60. This one's cute too. It's like classy and nice and pretty. By the way, if you guys see me like being hyper and then slowly coming down, it's probably because there's someone next to me and I get so nervous, and I'm trying not to be like nervous, but I'm a little nervous. Look at this. This looks very aesthetic. Okay, I'm just really just shopping around here just to see what we find. I don't usually come to Burlington too much, but I do like it. There's always some good finds. You just gotta like search, you know, but you'll find some stuff. Okay, I am here where the sunscreen stuff usually is. I really want to find some sunscreen just because sunscreen's hell of expensive, and if I can find some on a deal, you best bet I'm gonna get it. I haven't found any yet, but I found this cream. Supposedly it's like a good brand. It's $10. I just don't know if I want to get it because I did buy something at Marshall's once and it like irritated my skin so bad, and that's because I didn't check the date. So check your dates always, girls. Always, always, always. All the little stuff in the boxes like always catches my attention because I'm like, is this something good for me that I found? I just found this the Elf CBD line. I did try this when it first came out and it wasn't my favorite. It wasn't my favorite, which is probably why it's in Burlington. It was okay, but it wasn't my favorite. I feel like it didn't do what it claimed it's supposed to do. Like, it was okay, like it wasn't bad, but it wasn't giving for me. Gift sets are really cute here too, like a little mug and like a little wine glass and fuzzy socks, and then a little vasito with I think also fuzzy socks. Don't mind my missing nail, guys. We have all of this stuff. I don't know what that is, but that looks intriguing. It looks like a tub of ice cream. Lotions, I think. Oh, it's a bar of soap. Cute. Oh my god, these are cute, so cute. The little gnomes, the little hand soaps. Oh my gosh, this is something my old lady self would like. 24 days of like teas. Wait, bath teas? Bath? Like for shower? Oh, it is for the shower. Oh, never mind. I thought it was like I get to drink the tea. But no, apparently you just throw it in the bath. I don't like it. Look how adorable this is. The cookies for Santa and the milk. That's so cute. Because I want a skirt like this, but I kind of want it in brown. But I don't really see any brown ones here. They have this brown one, but I feel like since I'm short, like I can't really wear these because I look like more stubbier. This is kind of cute. Oh, brown. Pero está larga, no? You guys, real talk. I feel like Burlington has a lot of stuff, a lot of good stuff. You just have to look, but I feel like right now during the holidays it's a little bit overwhelming for me, where I'm just like, I feel like I'm bumping into people like left and right. Oh my god, they're so cute. It's like a little vintage pillow. But anyways, I feel like I'm bumping into people left and right, so I think I'm going to be done with Burlington now because I'm getting a little overwhelmed. Like my head is hurting and I'm like, ya me quiero ir. So we're leaving Burlington, but they have a lot of cool stuff. If you guys want to, there's a bunch of like cool gift sets that you guys can see. Okay, I'm gonna check Forever 21. Maybe I'll have more luck with a skirt here. Oh my god, look at this. It's like a Hello Kitty puffer jacket. I don't like Hello Kitty that much, but if you do, get Hello Kitty for you, girl. Oh my god, they have so much cute, comfy stuff. Like, does this not look like Skims? How cute and comfy. Even this looks super comfy to like sleep in. Sweet dreams.